So prior to actually setting up an operation, this is the sound level meter, and this instrument is just the field calibrator. So my common practice is prior to setting up the operation, I would actually calibrate this instrument using this instrument with. So upon receiving a pass grade on the instrument, that tells me that this instrument is capable of measuring sound pressure in dBAs.
Where's the case on the bike?
Well, the case doesn't go on the bike.
Okay.
It's in the vehicle.
Oh.
Part of the testing procedure is you'll actually have to take the wind speed reading, as well as you've got to measure the ambient noise. So, however, for this part of the test, I will assume that I've already taken the wind speed reading.
How long does the whole process take usually?
It's about 5 to 10 minutes on the bike.
For each bike?
Yeah. And prior to actually testing the bike, I would do another field calibration test. For this purpose, I will assume that I've already done it. Okay, the sound level meter is set at a 45-degree angle, and basically all you're going to do is just follow the template. Set at a 45-degree angle at 20 inches, 50 centimeters from the end of the tailpipe. With that being 20 inches, I will have the motorcyclist make sure that his bike is in neutral and go ahead and fire his bike up. Good. Normally you would let the motorcycle run for a couple of seconds and then you would turn the sound level meter on. In this case, this gives me a reading of 74 dBA, which is way below the acceptable rate, 92 dBA.